Hey everybody, Dr. David Wank here from Short Hills Design. Do you ever wonder what your website looks like when someone shares it on social media? What link they see here on Facebook or on Twitter or LinkedIn or Discord? Well, there's a way that you can check. So what we're going to do is you go to opengraph.xyz and you'll pop in the URL of your website. And then you'll be able to, here, we'll check Short Hills again. Just did it and here we go. So I can see here, this is what mine looks like. That's pretty cool. I actually going to adjust it because I want to make the logo a little bit smaller so you can see the full roundness of it. But that's how you do it, and you can see you want to make sure that it is not blank, because what happens is, let's pick one. Well, if you have one that's blank, it's just going to show blank. So go ahead and check your website. Go to opengraph.xyz, and you can go ahead now and check, and then you can see what your OpenGraph meta tags look like, the image looks like. And if you don't like what it looks like, you can have your web developer fix it. But it's a really cool way to make sure that it's one of those little things that just we want to get done, kind of like really tweaking that contact. You don't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose. You want it just right. This is one of those small things that can really make a difference. That's not, a tremendous, huge issue. But if you are, really just getting that kind of tweaking that edge to make it just right, this is a way to do it.